Hello everyone, we've got question 1 here of Mechanics 2024 A-Level. So it's a nice, really straightforward question. It says, figure 1 shows a particle P of mass 0.5 kilograms at rest on a rough horizontal plane. Find the magnitude of the normal reaction on the plane at P. So we just need to resolve vertically. There's only two forces in play. We've got the weight acting down, which is going to be the mass times gravity, so 0.5 times g, and we've got the normal reaction R. So therefore R equals 0.5 g newtons, and that's part A done for 1 mark. The coefficient of friction between P and the plane is 2/7. A horizontal force of magnitude x newtons is applied to P. Given that P is now in limiting equilibrium, find the value of x. So we've got a force x, which I've just modelled as going to the right. Friction is going to act in the opposite direction, so friction is equal to mu times r. So I'm basically resolving to the right, and I'm going to use Newton's second law. So F is equal to ma. The resultant force is x, take away mu r, and that is going to equal the mass, which is 0.5 times the acceleration, which is 0, because it's in equilibrium. Okay, so therefore x is equal to mu r in that case. Now our mu, the question tells us, is 2/7, and our r, we found out in part A, was 0.5 g. So therefore x is equal to 2/7 times by a half g. The 2's cancel, and that just gives us 1/7 g is x. So super straightforward, nice question 1 just to introduce us to the paper. Okay, I'll see you in the next video.